Hi, to enable and disable full screen and split screen mode on your Samsung Galaxy A35, first thing we need to do is open phone settings. And here let me just return back to the main settings. And now we need to find Advanced Features tab, select it, and after that choose multi-window. So just tap it. And now you can see this cool feature, full screen and split screen view. So if you want to enable it, you just need to tap on this switcher near this feature, and when you will enter split screen, the status bar and navigation bar will simply disappear. Let me show you. So let's just select an app we want to use in split screen. For that, I'm gonna open my recents and tap this app icon and choose to open in split screen view. Now let's choose our second app, like that. And as you can see, our status bar and navigation bar disappeared. So to trigger it back on, for example, to trigger status bar, we would need to swipe down from the top. And yep, navigation and status bar appears. To trigger it with the help of another way, you can just swipe up from the bottom, and it's working as well. Now let me show you the difference, and let's disable this feature by tapping it again and trigger split screen one more time. So tap on the icon, open in split screen view and choose second app. And now when we disable this feature, you can see the status bar, your notification center and navigation bar. So this is the difference. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.